especially, but I did not have that much courage like you. I couldn't connect directly on video call. So really, I admire your this step.
This is
I
my
took
first
lot.
video call someone.
How are you feeling now?
I'm little bit, I'm getting nervous, but it's okay.
No need to
And
feel nervous. You can think as I'm a sister and you are talking to sister, right?
yes, yes,
Okay, I can see your name is Seema Yadav, so I don't know more than this. So I love to know about you, Seema. Could you introduce yourself?
yes. Uh, First of all, thank you so much for giving me this golden chance. And
It's
my name is
really
Seema. Yes, I am from UP. I have done only 12th class, and my hobbies are reading books, cookings. Sometimes I love to interact with people, but sometimes, and I love to listening song and reading books and listening preaching. And yeah, that is all about me.
okay. That's great. Glad to hear about you, Seema. Nice to meet you, especially. So, okay, now you came in front of camera. So, what prompted you to come in front of camera and talk to people?
Uh, I don't know, but I'm getting nervous still.
No, no, no. Be calm, be calm. Should I introduce myself?
Yes, of course.
Okay,
I
okay. My name is Susmita Kaushik. Belong to Assam, currently based in UP, holding master and PGDCA. I'm married person, mother of one kid. Simultaneously, I run YouTube channel by the name of Global English Quest. And hobbies are your hobby and my hobby are similar, I must say. I love to read books, cooking, and playing badminton and talking to people. Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you. Okay.
yeah.
So don't feel nervous. First of all, I just want to you calm. Don't be nervous. Whatever you want to talk, and I love to listen you. And if you have any question, then I love to answer those questions too. So what
Yes,
thing do you want to do? Because I don't want to pressure you asking lots of questions. So whatever you feel comfortable, just I want to go with that. I love to go.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for your kind words. Uh,
It's
yes,
pleasure.
I want to ask if someone first time connect with someone, how can you start uh, uh, a conversation, and what type of question someone ask someone else?
Someone can ask
Like
to you, right?
yes,
Yes, I got it. So first of all, tell me one thing that have you connected with the others, not video call, but audio call? Have you connected with someone?
one time,
Only one time.
I connect.
You
Yes,
have connected once with others on audio call, right? So how did you
audio
feel at
call.
the time? How did you feel at the time? Which kind things you have discussed?
Actually, I that time I can't able. I could not able to express my thought. I said earlier, I this is my first, I can say first call with anyone. Uh,
Hmm.
I connected with someone audio call. That time
Hmm.
I very hesitate, but I speak little bit and forget any word, how to speak, how can I ask something like that.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Tell me basic things. So since morning till now, what did you do? What have you done so far?
For learning.
You No, no, not learning. What have you done so far? When you got up early in the morning, so after that, what did you do?
Okay, you ask me. Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm
Um,
asking you.
yes,
Yes, yes.
got because of nervousness. That's why I couldn't get your point, but now I got.
Don't worry, I am making you so calm and I'm feeling so calm and I'm trying to you feel comfortable. So don't be nervous, okay? If you don't want to upload
Yes,
this video, then I don't want to upload. So be calm, okay?
yes.
Yeah.
I get up. I get up in 7:30 and I freshen up, and then after I make tea and breakfast and having tea and breakfast, and then after I cook cooked lunch for my husband, and then after I do my household chores, and I take some rest, and I reading book, and uh, yeah, that's it.
That's the thing you have done so far. That's great. So, which kind of book do you like to read, and which kind of book are you reading? What is the name of
Yes,
this book?
actually, recently I read I can say a spiritual book written by B.K. Sivani. Uh,
Ah, okay.
yes, the, yes, the power of one thought. This is the name book.
That's
Yes.
great. So, what did you learn from this book? I love to know because I also listen BK Sivani, and I love to listen. Her voice is so attractive, and she has lots of knowledge about the spirituality, especially. So, what is the written in this book?
If someone angry on someone else, that time we are get angry. That
Mm,
time we should don't get angry. We think this is a uh, I don't know what to say.
mm. Okay, no
I
problem. No problem. Okay. So, okay, how many family members do you have?
actually I live with my husband and I only.
22 members. So, are you preparing for a job or anything?
No, I don't do anything, but nowadays I started learning this language.
So, okay, that's great. So, what motivated you to learn this language? How did you think to learn this language?
Actually, I can say this is my childhood desire, but
Mm.
I have more time. That's why I am thinking, why not I am do something. That's why I started this journey.
Mm. So, since when have you started?
Yes, I would like to say here, to be honest, I decided in 2024 learning this language, but I didn't do anything for it. But suddenly I realized I lost my 1 year. Sudden- uh, And that time I decided, if I have to learn this language, I have to do something for it. And I need to practice. Then I started. That's why I am here.
That's great. You took initiative and took one step toward this learning journey, right? So that is a good
Right.
thing, and all the best for your new journey. I hope you will get succeed in this new journey, right? There are lots of opportunity will be open, and your self confidence also will increase if you speak very properly in front of someone, right? So not only
Right.
about this language, when you talk to people, continuously, then you will get to know lots of things from them. Not only about this language, but also lots of things you get to know from them, their culture, their where they are belong, what is the special things of this place. So lots of things you get to know. So
Yes,
you
yes.
will
That's
enjoy. I believe that you will enjoy this process.
yes, yes, of course.
Yes. So okay. Anything else would you like to ask?
Yes. How can I get fluency with easily and happily?
How have you focused on grammatical parts like a tense only now? Have you focused?
No, I don't focus.
Okay, I would like to suggest you first of all focus on tense. Okay,
Okay.
then talk to people as much as you can. Talk to people because if you have more spare time, then you can talk to people like 4 or 5 members every single day. That's how your fear or hesitation will remove. And later on, I think you watched lots of videos on YouTube regarding English, right?
Right.
So be continue, yeah, continue that, watch a lots of videos, and now you have recently started to learn this language. First of all, you have to focus on very basic, like a story kits and a cartoon story, animation story, right? This kind of things you can focus if you understand people's conversation. So you can go with that, and gradually you can level up yourself, and you can change your video level. Like you are watching or you are listening beginners video, now after a few months you can jump on the intermediate speaker, then after that you can jump on advanced speaker. So that is the process of learning, listening. Especially to exact, we have to listen our level, because while talking with people you will able to use this sentence or this vocab while connecting with people. If you watch directly advanced people, then you do not get, and you are not able to use those all the things whatever you have listened. Just you spend your time, you do not understand anything. Instead of watching advanced speakers, or you have to listen short story, and try to jot down. If you get some new words or new sentence, then try to jot down, and try to speak with people the same thing. That is how process will start, and gradually you will get to know what to do, what to not. Now where I got level, what is my level right now, so according that you will get idea and you can go further.
Yes.
So that's thing
Thank
you have to do. Nothing special. That is a very basic language. This is just a language, and now we have created very huge, learners group. There are lots
Yes.
of group on Skype and WhatsApp, on YouTube. You can listen, you can talk to people, right? Now it's become very huge, our needs. So we should not think much about it. Just we should go and enjoy the process while talking to people. Every person are very enthusiastic to learn this language, so you can also enjoy while talking to them.
This is, I can say, this is my first time I speak little bit, and I am happy.
Yeah, you should happy because you took one step toward your learning journey, and you gathered your courage, right? You accumulate your courage to connect with someone. Really, I
Yes.
admire you. And this is you, without talking on audio call, you came in front of video call directly. Really, it's
Yes.
commendable. I admire your courage.
Thank.
That's great.
Actually,
Okay.
I think I want to ask something. Can I ask?
Yeah. 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 Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
What about your journey? How did you start and when?
Okay. It's been more than 1 year. I have been working on my communication skill. So initially I was also like you, I was not able to connect with people. I had a fear. I used to sigh in front of people, in front of camera especially, but I did not have that much courage like you. I couldn't connect directly on video call. So really I admire your this step. I took lots of audio call before starting to have session on video call. I took, I think, 30-40 session I took on audio call. So that only after that I accumulate my little courage to come or to face camera. So yes, I think around 9 and 10 months I have been connecting with people through video conversation to run my YouTube channel, and before that also I connected many YouTubers before creating my YouTube channel. So it's been more than 1 year I have been talking to people, and around more than 500 people I have talked so far.
Oh wow.